This young, green-backed heron's favorite food is fresh fish. But on this lake in Japan, catching them isn't easy. To catch a meal here, he needs a more measured approach. Even the slightest movement gives him away. And staying still isn't working either. If he can't get to the fish, he'll have to get the fish to come to him. He knows they'll inspect anything on the surface they think might be food. So he tries something fewer than 1% of all birds on the planet do. He uses bait. Perhaps a twig? The idea is good, but not as much as a nibble. Maybe something smaller. A leaf. There's interest. Still no bites, though. So he tries an even smaller lure. A fly-sized piece of moss. Cast is perfect. Closer, closer. Bullseye. Now he's got the hang of it. He's unstoppable. It takes persistence and practice to fool prey.